Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss how to write a great introduction in writing task 2. So basically an introduction in writing task 2 involves 3 steps. First, general statement. Second, paraphrasing. And third is to state your opinion. So let's look at a sample question. Some people say that the main environment problem of our time is the loss of particular species of plants and animals. Others say that there are more environmental problems. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now, in this question, there are two things. Firstly, it talks about loss of plants and animals, and secondly, it talks about other environmental problems. So, what are other environmental problems? Pollution, climate change, and increase of gases, increase of greenhouse gases. So there are multitude of problems which leads to loss of biodiversity. Now what this question is saying, it has segregated these two things. Loss of biodiversity is because of these factors as well. Climate change, increase in greenhouse gases, pollution, etc., etc., etc. Yet, this question has divided both these problems and separated them in two buckets. Now, what you can do is you can say that these problems are causes. Okay, but in reality, you can say that these problems are the causes. Increase in pollution leads to loss of biodiversity. Increase in climate change leads to loss of biodiversity. But because this question entails in a different paradigm, so we will shift the paradigm as the question is stating. So what we can write? We can write the demise of biodiversity is undeniably one of the biggest challenges mankind is facing. Demise of biodiversity is loss of particular species of plants and animals. Biodiversity comprises of plants, animals, insects, and other kingdoms. All the animals, all the plants that are present in the environment. Moreover, some people believe that its destruction disrupts ecosystems. Ecosystem is disrupted. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a system whereby environments are interconnected with each other. Okay, if the water level rises due to increased climate change, then ecosystems are destroyed. If ecosystems are destroyed, then there is loss of biodiversity. See the link. Whereas on the other hand, few people argue that we need to resolve problems like climate change which have widespread impact on the planet. Now it is talking about other environmental problems. Other environmental problems like climate change. Now you have to state your opinion. You can say, in my opinion, depletion of flora and fauna. Depletion of flora and fauna is loss of particular species of plants and animals. Is a major loss and is more concerning, although it is intertwined with other pressing environmental issues. We are establishing a connection here by saying it is intertwined. Intertwined means connected. It's a very unique question because the uniqueness of the question is that both the things are interconnected. Climate change leads to loss of biodiversity. Now, which is more important, loss of biodiversity or climate change? Okay, because both are interconnected, you can go on both sides without being wrong, without being on the wrong fence. Now, this is the second part. If I had to say, I can also say that in my opinion, climate change is the biggest problem, or pollution is the biggest problem, and not loss of biodiversity. So, this is how you write an introduction. In your introduction, you write your paraphrasing, you write a general statement, and you write your opinion. There are certain questions in which you can disregard the other opinion straight away. But there are certain questions which are so related to each other that you have to balance both things. You cannot say this is right, this is wrong, or this is something that's not important at all, while the other thing is paramount. Okay, so this is how you write the perfect introduction. Always make sure that you look at both the sides, because it's saying discuss both views and give your opinion. So you have to look at both the views. And here both the views are strong, but one view has to be stronger than the other view. And then you have to state your opinion. You have to state your opinion also. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button